Hello and welcome to another episode of the ICTAZ Tech Talk, where the ICT Association of Zambia gives you more insight into the ICT sector. My name is Mwazi Sakala, the ICTAZ Communications Officer. Today, we are at Paratus, a leading provider of ICT infrastructure and connectivity solutions.
As Paratus, we've positioned ourselves by establishing the most modern Tier 3 data center facility in Zambia today. We opened the facility in 2021. And at the same time, our motto has always been to provide end-to-end connectivity services, so internet services, MPLS services, SD-WAN services. And we created that whole ecosystem for digital transformation. So data center services, connectivity services. And one of the other key success factors for digital transformation is people. You need skilled staff, skilled people that can help companies digitally transform. And at Paratus, we've attracted some of the most key players in the market, or valuable staff members in the market, to help companies digitally transform. And we've established products and services through our consulting services and also through our infrastructure to help customers digitally transform. So basically putting us at the heart of digital transformation in Zambia. It's been a long journey in Zambia. So Paratus Zambia will turn 15 this year. We're basically in our teens now. We started off as a traditional internet service provider, providing connectivity services, internet, MPLS, SD-WAN services, traditional VSAT services. And over the years, we've transformed in what we like to call a digital service provider. So we've created our data center, our Tier 3 data center here in Zambia. We also have data centers across the region in Africa. And you know, it's very important that there's an evolution. And with our data center services, we've also included cloud services. We host some of the most modern sovereign cloud services based on Zadara in our data center today. So really placing us in the center again of digital transformation. And our growth over the last 15 years has been significant. And one of the other items which we've also now have established in the last couple of years is our low orbit satellite services, where we also have the opportunity to connect customers to our cloud seamlessly from anywhere in the country. And so it's been quite an evolution from traditional internet service provider to a digital service provider. And the balancing act is quite interesting, because at the same time, connectivity is vital to be able to do proper data storage and cloud services, infrastructure as a service and security as a service, and combined with that, backup as a service. So yes, it's been quite a journey over the years. So navigating legislation is always quite interesting and challenging. It's all about compliance with the legislation. At Paratus, we very early realized, you know, we need to be compliant not only with local legislation but also international legislation. So our Tier 3 data center facility is ISO certified, so ISO 9001 and 27001. So 9001 is all about quality. At Paratus, we believe in quality. Everything we do to the best of industry standard. And then ISO 27001 is data security and data security management. And by following these standards, you know, you automatically comply with a lot of legislation. And by adding then services like security as a services, SAS, SIEM, security operations centers, we comply with the regulations in country. But we also have a large lot of customers that are internationally based. So we also need to comply with things like Sarbanes-Oxley, SOC 1, SOC 2, and GDPR. And Some of the systems we host in our data center, like the Zadara system, Sovereign Cloud, is based on these principles as well. So from a compliance perspective and navigating the legislation, it's very important to align with international standards and at the same time with the local standards. So we've been collaborating with ICTAZ for quite some time now. I think one of the most interesting factors in Zambia is creating awareness of what infrastructure is available in Zambia. There's a firm belief that if we want to digitally transform and we want cloud services and we want proper connectivity services, we need to look outside of the borders. And that's not true. I mean, Zambia is what our minister likes to call a land-linked country. And we have all the infrastructure in country. And it's about, number one, together with ICTAZ to create awareness around what we have available. And the second leg is obviously skills. There is quite a skills shortage in Zambia, and I know ICTAZ has been trying to address that with various programs, as has Paratus. We've been taking part in a lot of events like the hackathon hosted by APSA and Capture the Flag by Digital Safe, where ICTAZ is also involved in the background. And together with ICTAZ, I think one of the drivers should be awareness and skills development. And I think we can play a massive role in helping develop new talent, giving them opportunities for internships and work-related opportunities. We have quite a diverse subset of services. We play in the consumer space, so in the home internet space and in the corporate space. For the consumer space, it's actually very easy. You can follow us on Facebook, or you can go on our website, paratus.africa/ZM. We have a self-sign-in portal on our website for our consumer services, and you can put in your location and you can see what service is available there and order it online, put in all your details, and then our team will contact you to install this service. From a corporate perspective, it's also equally easy. You can come visit us at our offices, or you can phone us, email us at sales.zm@paratus.africa, and we can offer you our various services. So this ranges from traditional internet connectivity services, MPLS services, data center co-location services, data center cloud services, virtual servers, infrastructure as a service, security as a service, DR as a service, and then also we a Starlink authorized reseller in Zambia. So if you need Starlink connectivity for anywhere in Zambia, you can contact us. We do the installations, and we also make sure that your service is properly installed.